This video is only for educational purpose. Today we are going to learn how to install Tor on Kali Linux operating system. Now open the terminal and type sudo apt update. Now type sudo apt install 𝐼TOR browser launcher. It may take time to install. Now type Tor browser launcher. Then the Tor browser will be start downloading. In this way we can install Tor browser on Kali Linux operating system. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more updates and follow my page Instagram.